wish you'd be fine. Our lesson today is about comparing unit fraction. So what's the meaning of unit fraction? Unit fraction, it means a fraction, the numerator always 1. The numerator always 1. So let's start. Compare, write greater than, less than, or equal. I have here it's 1 in all, and here it's a third of 1, and here it's 6th of 1. So here, who's the biggest, third or sixth? See by your eye, I have here third, this all third, and this is sixth. So who's the biggest, third or sixth? Perfect. Third is bigger than sixth. Perfect. Okay, let's see here. I have here it's 1 and all, and here fifth of 1, and here third of 1. So what's the biggest, fifth or third? Perfect. Third is bigger than fifth. Okay, let's stop here and see this. I have here in the denominator 3, and here in the denominator 5. By logic, 5 is greater than 3. So how come third is greater than fifth? Look here. It's not a number, ordinary number. It's a fraction. It's a unit fraction. So in the unit fraction, the smallest number in a denominator is the biggest number in the fraction. The smallest number in the denominator is the biggest number in a fraction. Okay? So let's see again. I have here it's 1 in all, and I have here half of 1. I have here eighth of 1, and I have here fourth of 1. So who's the biggest, fourth or half? Let's see. That's fourth and that's half. So fourth is smaller than half. Fourth is smaller than half. And let's see here. I have here 2 is smaller than 4. 2 is smaller than 4. So half is bigger than fourth. Because the smallest number in a denominator, it's the biggest number in a fraction. Okay, let's see this one. Who's the biggest, fourth or eighth? Fourth or eighth? Perfect. Fourth is bigger than eighth. And see here again. 4 is smaller than 8. So fourth is bigger than 8. Because I have here smaller number in a denominator, biggest number in a fraction. Let's see here. I have here 1 in all, and that's quarter of 1 or fourth of 1. I have here third of 1. I have here sixth of 1. So I have third is bigger than or smaller than or equal fourth. Perfect. Third is greater than fourth. 3 is smaller than 4, so third is greater than fourth. Smaller number in denominator, greater number in a fraction. Smaller number in denominator, greater number in a fraction. Okay, let's see this one. Fourth is what about sixth? Is it smaller than, greater than, or equal? Perfect. Fourth is greater than sixth. Again, smaller number in denominator, greater number in a fraction. Smaller number in denominator, greater number in a fraction. Perfect. So let's see another type of questions. Compare and write greater than, less than, or equal. first one here, who's the biggest? Half or eighths? Let's remember. Smaller number in denominator, greater number in a fraction. So let's see where is the smallest number in the denominator. 2 or 8? Perfect, it's 2. And then I have half greater than 8. And don't forget, it's a unit fraction. It's a unit fraction. Okay, let's see another one. Fourth or third, who's the greater? Let's see the smallest number in denominator. Here 4, here 3. So 3 less than 4. Then fourth is smaller than third. Okay, let's see another one. Half or quarter? Half or fourth? Let's see the smallest number. The smallest number here is 2. So the biggest number, the biggest fraction is half. Perfect. Let's see another one. I have here third or seventh. So what's the biggest, third or seventh? Perfect. Third is greater than seventh. Let's see this one. Half or sixes? Perfect. 2 is a smaller number than 6, so half is greater than sixes. Okay. Here, fifth or third? Perfect. Fifth is than third. Okay. And this one, eighth or fourth? Perfect. Eighth is less than fourth. And the last one, third or ninth? Perfect. Third is greater than ninth. Perfect, grade 3. Let's see another type of questions. Story problems and comparing unit fractions. Basim and Ahmed ran on the track to see who could run faster without stopping. Basim ran fifth of the kilometer and Ahmed ran seventh of a kilometer. Who ran faster? Explain your answer using pictures, numbers, and words. At the first, Basim and Ahmed ran one track, so I have 1 all. And then Basim ran fifth of a kilometer, so let's draw the fifth of a kilometer. And then Ahmed ran seventh of a kilometer, so let's draw the seventh of the kilometer. And then, who's the biggest? Fifth or seventh? Let's see who's the biggest, fifth or seventh? Perfect, fifth is greater than seventh. So, who's run faster? Basim or Ahmed? Perfect, grade 3. Basim ran faster. Okay, let's see another question. Muhammad needs to cut some wood for a project. He needs 1/4 of a meter of a top and 1/3 of a meter for the base. Which piece of wood will be larger? Explain your answer using pictures, numbers, and words. At the first, I have one piece of wood. So, draw one all. And then, I have 1/4 of a meter of the top. So, I have 1/4 for the top. And then, I have 1/3 for the base. I have 1/3 for the base. So, what's the biggest? 1/4 or 1/3? Perfect, 1/4 less than 1/3. So, I have the base of the base will be larger. Okay, grade 3, thanks for your time.